The second point in the problems a student comes across in learning French is conjugations. What do you mean by conjugation? Conjugation shows the tense of a verb with all pronouns. For example, je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. These are the French pronouns to learn the conjugations of verbs in a particular tense. For example, je is I, tu, you, il, he, elle, she, on means anybody, that is one in English, anyone. Nous, we, you, il, they, masculine, elle, they, feminine. Je is I, tu is vous. Il, he, elle, she, one is on in French. We have to learn the conjugations with these pronouns. I'll give you an example. In the present tense, the verb parler, to speak. Je parle. The stem, if you drop ER, add E with je. Tu parles. See the ending? With tu, we add ES in the present tense. Il il, elle, on, here also E ending. Nous parlons, here O, N, S ending. Vous parlez, EZ ending. Il, elle, parle, ENT ending. So, in French, in the present tense, ER ending verbs are conjugated like this. This is a model. For example, je parle, tu parles, il, elle, on parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. This is called conjugation in the present tense. In French, it means je parle means I speak or I am speaking. In English, it gives you two meanings. This is called conjugations.